We're going to take the cash.
They're going to take the cash! All right.
So we were set a task. We had 20 minutes to find a good property. We came out here, found a 19-bed HMO.
Anybody want to share what happened? What are the deals you guys got?
Yes, so this one's it's a little bit different because it's a 19-bed HMO.
Okay.
But it's up for 300.
Yep.
I've spoke to the agent, they said they'd take 250.
Wow.
It needs quite a lot of renovation, but it's already letted. So 3 rooms are already letted.
Yeah.
For £85 a week.
Okay, wow, good.
It's also got connected to a pub, which pays £260 a week.
So you own a pub as well?
So you get the pub as well.
And you've just got, hold on, and you've just agreed to buy it for 50 grand below.
He said he'd take 250.
Where is it?
Bootle, it's like 20 minutes.
Okay, not a great area, but
Not the best area.
we don't like Bootle much, but.
The thing is, even though it does need renovation, 3 people already live in there, so
Okay.
technically leave it. So it's got the rental potential of just under 100k.
See, if you did rent it out though, you could value it on a commercial valuation, and then you could refinance it. So that sounds very interesting as well.
Good deal.
Where is it?
Here, oh, in Cleethorpes.
In Cleethorpes? How much was the purchase price?
55. When we spoke, well, it was up at 70.
Yeah.
We spoke to the agent, and the agent said they'd probably take offers above 55.
Oh! Pass the mic on to this gentleman right here. Go ahead, what's your deal, my friend?
Deal is it's on offer for 70k.
Yeah.
And done up value, the agent thinks it could push it to 150.
And what's the refurb cost?
Refurb cost, looking at the property, we anticipate it'll be around like 40 to 45k.
Oh.
Looking at the situation, that's it.
These sound like good deals. You spoke to the agents. Yes, can we get a microphone on this lady over here?
There's a 3-bedroom house. It's really, really, really unmodernized.
Okay.
It looked like it was somebody's grandma's.
Where is it?
Home.
Purchase price?
100,000.
Refurb?
20,000.
End value?
200,000.
Okay, good. You're going to shout out, and whichever gets I hear the most is going to come on stage. Pub, we got Cleethorpes, we got Wrexham, and we've got Hull. On the count of 3, I want you to shout which one you want to see. We'll get him up on the stage. 1, 2, 3, go. Hold on, one sec. The problem is, pub and Hull kind of sound similar. So if you guys could grab a seat, give these guys both a massive hand. Okay. So now we're going to have house or pub, all right? And you're going to shout which one you want. You want pub, house, pub. Ready, and go. All right, well done. Give her a big hand. All right, please give it up for this gentleman right here. Give him a hand. What's your name, brother? His name's Josh, everybody. It's Josh. All right, Josh, where are you from? What's your story?
I'm literally 3 minutes away from me.
You're 3 minutes away, so you know the area well?
Yeah, I go to this gym.
Good. So, this pub, as you know the area well, the area, Bootle, the thing that worried me about the pub was Bootle. I've heard bad things about Bootle.
Yeah, it's not the best, as I said.
Okay.
There's obviously opportunity.
Okay. And but you got to sell us more than that. You can't just go, yeah, it's in a bad area, but opportunity, like.
No, well, the thing is, there's 16 vacant rooms.
Okay.
It's already making over 2k a month. Even on a repayment mortgage, it's already covered.
Yeah. How are you going to fill those other rooms? If they're not filled now, what makes you think you can fill them?
Renovate them.
Okay, so they're in bad condition. Have you got the postcode?
Yeah.
All right, L24QT. It's called L24QT,
Yeah, that'll be it.
but it's definitely not a QT. Well, let's find out in a moment. Okay, here we go, guys. So this is the property right here, yes? So this is the property, guys. He rang them up. Tell me how the conversation went when you called them.
I basically said that I said I'm a property sourcer. I want to find, deals for investors. What is the better, sort of the lowest that they would take and still be happy with? Are you sure?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And they said 250.
Yeah. Well, he said, what were you thinking? And I said, well, what about 250? And he said, I said if it was tomorrow.
Yeah. It looks quite a good building. It looks quite a good building. So if you bought it for 250 grand, you would be able to get a commercial valuation based on that. If you renovated it and rented it out, you could get a commercial valuation because commercial properties are valued based on rents. So what do you think the end value would be if you refurbed it and renovated it?
It must be $500,000. It must be.
Why? Because you say so?
Well, no, that is me kind of throwing a figure out there.
Ring the agent and ask them how much it would be if it was done up nice.
Hi, I just called earlier on about Rimrose Road, you know, the 19-bed HMO.
That's the yeah.
Yeah, I was just wondering, I've got some interested investors. What end value do you think that would be if it was all renovated to a nice standard and fully rented out? I know it's up for 300 now. Roughly.
I'd have to double check the value if you don't mind, sorry, it's just on the other line, if that's okay, what's your name and number, so let you know.
My name's Josh.
What's your number?
Yeah, if I don't answer, you can maybe text it me.
Yeah,
Yeah, perfect. Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right. So, she just said she would get a valuer to go research calling back. By the way, thank you for letting us use your phone. Give her a hand as well. Give her a hand as well, right? Now, when the valuer gives you your end value, let's say it's, I don't know, $500,000 or whatever it might be, then you know the purchase price is $250. Then all you need to do is work out what the renovation's going to be, and then you can do your figures. If it works, if it's a pull your money out deal, that's the kind of project where you can pull a joint venture partner in and retire off one deal or sell it for 20 grand. So, good job. What did you learn?
The deals are out there. You've just got to take action.
Yeah.
Because that's not far from me. I can find that in 15 minutes. So
Right.
Just got to do it.
You got an option now. Who's your team, by the way?
It was literally just me and my girlfriend.
Oh, so you know when I said go strangers?
I know, sorry, but we couldn't find anyone and we didn't want to waste any more time.
Come on up on stage real quick. Give her a hand. Give her a hand.
This is a
Good. All right. Could you pass Caitlin the microphone? Caitlin, did you know this morning when you woke up that you'd be on stage in front of 200 people later? No. Okay. The reason I wanted you on stage is because at the moment I'm going to ask Josh to make a decision. And I wanted you to be able to be part of the decision process as you found the deal together. Because here's the decision. Option number one is you can receive £200 hard cash. I'll put it in your hand right now. Jeez, I got money. Believe me, I got money. Okay, so here you go. £100 cash, £100 cash. So I can give you £100 each, and then I'll call back that lady and continue with the deal. It's a lead. It's only a lead at the moment. Option number two is you can say, actually, Samuel, I'm going to stick around for the rest of the day and learn about joint ventures and raising finance, and I don't want your money. I just want to continue with this deal. So those are your two options. Obviously, you need time to think about it. So I'm going to give you a chance to have a meeting about this. You can have a get together, have a conversation. So you're going to have 15 seconds to have a meeting. And because how many of you realize that business people make quick decisions, yes or no? Yeah. 15 seconds, go. All right, before you tell us, what do you think they're going to go with, the cash or the deal? What do you reckon? Cash. Come on, cash or deal? All right, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. All right, Josh, what have you guys decided?
We're going to take the cash.
They're going to take the cash! All right.
And there's the money, the proof's in the pudding. So I'll be honest, I've watched a lot of these videos. Sometimes you think it's not real. It's too good to be true. We're not actors, we're real people. We've made money before lunch, so get down, get involved and take action.